Hello, I'm Sohail Syed. Today's my topic is plastic pollution. First of all, is a source of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution originates from various sources, including but single-use plastics such as box bottles, straws, and packing. Then microplastics, which are plastic particles resulting from the breakdown of larger plastic items or from microbeads used in personal care products. Industrial source, including plastic plates used in manufacturing process. But second is environmental impact. Plastic pollution has far-reaching environmental but marine life injection and intelligent birds, fish, and other marine animals often mistake plastic debris for food or become leading to injury or death. Habitat dispersion. Plastic waste can smoother coral reefs and disrupt ecosystem. But chemical pollution, plastic can release toxic chemicals into the environment, posing risks to wildlife and human health. But third of all is a global scope. Plastic pollution is a global issue affecting oceans, rivers, lakes, and even remote areas far from human civilization. But plastic waste travels long distance through water currents and wind pollution across waste regions. But addressing plastic pollution requires multifaceted approach. Waste management and recycling, improving waste collection, recycling infrastructure, and promoting the use of biodegradable alternative can help reduce plastic waste. But policy and regulation, governments and international organizations can implement uh, policies to reduce single-use plastic, ban microbeads, and uh, encourage but sustainable packaging. Public awareness and education, educating communities about the environmental impacts of plastic pollution and promoting responsible uh, consumption and disposal habits can be fostered behavior changes. uh, uh, Second of all is five is innovation and technology. Advance in technology are enabling innovative solution to combat plastic pollution. Development of biodegradable plastics and alternative materials, ocean cleanup uh, using specialized and floating barriers to remove plastic debris from water bodies. Research into new recycling techniques and technologies to process and repurpose plastic waste more effectively. But addressing plastic pollution requires collaborative effort at the individual, community, corporate, and governmental levels to reduce plastic consumption. Then are causes of plastic pollution. Single-use plastics items like plastic bags, bottles, straw, and packaging are designed for one-time use but persist in the environment for hundreds of years. Lack of proper waste management, but indirect waste collection, recycling facilities, and littering contribute to the accumulation of plastic waste in neutral habits. Industrial and commercial activities, plastic manufacturing process, then shipping and packaging industry generate significant amount of plastic waste. But consumer behavior, increasing consumption of disposable product of lack of awareness about the environment. then impact of plastic contribute to pollution. Effect of plastic pollution, environmental, plastic waste but waterways and oceans harming ecosystem and biodiversity. Thank you.